couple of little Yorkshire Day things. Yep, that's a flag up there. Don't know if you can get me and the flag, if you can hear me and see the flag at the same time. Okay, well, guess where we are? Well, we're in Yorkshire. We're in the garden now, and it's not actually Yorkshire Day. It's now changed to being the 2nd of April, but this is my weekend project, and what I'm going to do is talk to you about regauging. Well, you'll see a little bit on regauging. There's a lovely blog and website about regauging, the Hornby Hogwarts Express, but having regauged that one, decided I'd keep both of them because for the price it provides you with a reasonable locomotive, and therefore the other one I'm afraid has had to become some sort of UK outline locomotive to run on my G-scale track work, and that's what it's ended up being just so far. Plenty of opportunity to do more to it, but that's given me something now that I can play with. No need to regauge that one because that was bought as the Lionel version, but of course if you can only get the Hornby one, that's the one you want to do, because I did debate doing it to that one, didn't know which one to do it to. Then because it's basically the same outer plastic moulding, then when you see the rest of this video and you see how that's turned out, when you see it in more detail, then of course it's showing you what you can do to your Hogwarts Express if you wanted to. So I'm not sure if you can hear me, but there we go. Let's have a look now at what I've done for this weekend. Just a couple of points. You'll have seen the blog on regauging the Hornby Hogwarts Express to run on 45mm gauge, which is what I'm doing. I've just got to the stage now of trimming back the axle bearings and the bush on the back of the wheel so that it will fit back into the chassis frame. A minor tip, I didn't do this. Saw the extra plastic on the back of the wheel and the bearing bush and trim the bits off before you squeeze the wheels in, because I'm finding it's just a little bit tight getting down there now because I've done it in the wrong order. The other thing is, this is my gauging block. That's about right back to back. I don't think I'm going to need to trim off any of the axle. It's just proud either side. So in fact, if you squeeze it up in your vice jaws, oh, I'm going to have so much dust and dirt on there. I'm hoping that there's about the same protrusion both sides so that the gear mesh in the middle is in the right place when it's back in. Oh, I might have to look at that. Yeah, there's the protrusion on that one. It's barely a millimetre protrusion. Oh, it's certainly a little bit more at one side than the other, but I don't know how that's going to affect the mesh. I'll have a look in a minute once I've done the trimming of the bits off the back, but that's it. The other thing was taking out this pin from the centre wheels is not easy. I did that by just being able to grip it in the vise and twist and pull it off. It's not it's a ring shank, so there are ridges down there which make it difficult to pull out. It will twist, but it doesn't unscrew, so you've really got to hold it in the vise, get a blade of a screwdriver in, twist and pull and prise at the same time. I didn't feel it was necessary to take the rest of it off, so I've only got one pin to reinsert to connect up the motion to the connecting rods on there. That's all I can think of now. Otherwise, just follow the instructions as on the blog website, which will be linked again. So there we have the regauged Hornby Hogwarts Express in front and the older Lionel Hogwarts Express with a different colour engine at the back. Just let's have a quick run of them both. Set that one off first. So look what you think of it. Oops. Didn't check the track, did I? There we go, running again. Don't know if it'll get all the way around. I've no idea what other obstructions there are. Well, when that's running nicely, I'll start the other one off. Okay. I think the batteries might need changing on the transmitter. But let's see what we can do with this one. Regauged. Get the wheels on. And I've only just regauged the loco and tender. Well, the loco on this one. So, whoop. Crash into it. Crashed into the edge of the tracks. Not quite in the right position. Following this one round, I say all I've done with that is repainted the loco. The other one, when it comes back, we'll have a look at it, because I just want to make sure the mechanism is going to be a little bit stiffer for a number of reasons. Because I've squeezed everything in, it's not quite in the same line that it was before.